too soon to fall.
Good morning, this is Brandon with the Trails We Roam, and today we're installing DRT bed stiffeners in the back of the Tacoma. We are going to be adding some significant weight to the truck in the form of a rooftop tent. We already have a bed rack, and we've got the water jugs and the gas jugs and all that good stuff attached to it, and an awning. And so we're going to make sure that we do not crack our composite bed. We're going to install of these DRTs. I like this because it's a low profile, and we'll be installing a fridge slide too, and just wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to get in the way. So let's get to it. So the tools we'll be using today to do this install is a drill with a 3/8 bit or a step bit. We have a 14mm wrench, 14mm socket, with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. We have the T55 and a T40 socket. We have our bed stiffeners, of course, our hardware, some paint to paint the holes that we put into the steel part of the bed, and then we have a little bit of paper towel just to wipe everything down. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the tail light. We have 3 10mm bolts. And once it's loose, you're just going to gently pry it out. Pull straight back, and you can let it hang off to the side. Next, we're going to use our T55 to take out the bolt that holds the bed to the truck frame. Then we'll take out the D-ring using a T40. So on this one, notice that you have a washer, a spacer, and then a little bracket here. So what we're going to do is take this little bracket off, and this little washer we get rid of. And then we have the spacer and the lock washer that will drop down in there when we get ready to bolt it up. At this point, we're going to drop the lock washer and the spacer back in. And grab our bracket. And we're going to line it up. We'll reinstall this. And now we will pull these back out so we can drill out our holes. Because I'm using a step bit, I'm going to need a pilot hole. Now we'll hit our holes with a little bit of spray paint. I kind of use the cannon blast method just wipe away the excess and grab our bolt with the washer on the front. Now we're going to place a washer on the back and a nut. And this one, let's see if you can see this, has this bracket here kind of in the way, and I got kind of thick hands, so I'm going to slide the washer on it, and then I'm going to use a wrench to get the nut on the back. So now that we got that tight, we can tighten down here. And I'll be going back and tightening these up with the torque wrench later, and I will list the torque out in the video. We throw our tail light back on. And that will do it. You have the install here. Now there is a rubber grommet that comes with it. These little guys here. If you want to do that, you can drill this out with, I think it's 11/16. And this is just so you can run any antenna wire or anything that you want to maybe mount up here or anywhere on the back of your truck. You can run it through the bed right there. But I don't need that, so I did not install those.